Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Beauty by Brittany U. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not, hey girl, hey, what is up? Today I got another banger, okay? This is all about my glass skin, natural, no makeup and makeup tutorial. If you're interested, please keep on watching. I am so excited about how this makeup look turned out. I think it's very easy, so please grab your makeup along with me. Use whatever you have. So I just want to let you know, if you are dry skin, this is for you because yo, my face feels really good underneath this makeup. And if you're oily skin, maybe you want to just tone down a little bit on the oil. Just make sure you move things around according to your skin type. I'm dry skin, so if I want to lather my face up in oil, I will do that. Let's just get into it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will talk to you guys next time. I'm just gonna start with my lip care first. It's my Milani Rose Butter Lip Mask. So for skin, I'm gonna be going with this skin conditioner. It's basically a toner. It has koic seed extract, and it's a secret ingredient that moisturizes your face and body for smooth and beautiful skin. I've used this before and I really like it, and I've tried the 7 steps before that. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on my hand and then dab it into my face.
You heard right, we doing this 7 times, so make sure you do this. It's essential for the glass skin look.
My skin is so dry, so this already feels really good. You want to give some time between each layer, about 7 seconds. Looking bouncy, and as you can tell, a little bit glowier. I think that was 6. I'm going to be going with my 7th layer.
Next, I'm going to be taking some eye cream to keep my eyes looking juicy, and then I'm going to be taking my Camellia face oil from Milani. I love it.
And of course, I'm going to let this sit and I'll be right back. So I've let that sit. I'm going to go in with my MAC Moisture Cream. I love this stuff. If you're dry skin, you need it. It just moisturizes your skin, and I feel like it's perfect for makeup. My skin right now is like very supple, very soft. We love it for me. I'm trying this routine out for the first time. I've never done glass skin, so I just want to show you guys how I will possibly achieve a really good base today. Okay, all right. Now that we let that cook, set, bake, do what I gotta do, I'm gonna contour. Fenty Beauty and Truffle. This makeup look is totally perfect for summer. It's lightweight, your skin shines through, you don't look like cake face. Okay, baby, you are gonna be looking good. God, guys, I just realized my brows aren't done, so I'm gonna go do my brows and then come back and do all this. Wow, I'm so glad I caught it. We are gonna go ahead with foundation. I'm gonna mix them. I'm just gonna apply it over that. I'm gonna go with another layer. Highlight. I think this kind of like base for your foundation is perfect for like the summer, because you can look really, really dewy, but also look like your skin isn't heavy. My skin is shining through the makeup. It's shining, I promise you guys, it's shining through the makeup. So what I want to do next, I want to contour my nose, because that's a must, baby. We gotta have that nose snatched at all times. Taking my MAC 275 S brush, it's an angled brush, and I took my Fenty contour Truffle, a poppin' nose bridge. Oh, if you don't have one, you can always create a fake one. I'm just gonna blend that out. Next, what we're gonna want to do, we're gonna want to contour. Using my cream contour to just bronze up my face as well, just because I want to still keep the natural glow that we got going on. I don't want to lose it just yet. And then I'm going to take my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark, lightly setting the cream. Next, we're going to continue on with the blush. We're going to be taking this cream blush from Natasha Denona. It is the Bloom Blush and Glow palette. I love this stuff. So it's also in the family of creams and all that good stuff. So I think I'm just going to I'm gonna like mix these three down here. Starting off with the Duo Glow first. And I'm just bringing that into the cheeks. And when I said mix, I just meant use one because there's no need to mix. This is crazy, bro. And mind you guys, I have not set my under eye. That's also the key just yet. You want to make sure the blush and everything else is on before you go ahead and set. Because it is a dewy look, natural radiant look, you don't want too much powders. So I'm really bringing this blush all the way up into my cheekbones. Girl, do you see that? Do you see that? Do you, what? Huh? What was said? What was said? Huh? Yeah, that's what I thought. That's just exactly what I thought. So we also are going to be taking my NARS Taj Mahal. Lightly patting that all over the cheekbone, baby. Give it a glow. Britt, you're doing too much. You're just not doing enough. We're gonna just take our damp beauty blender just a little bit. You don't have to use the products that I'm using. Use your blush, use any cream contour, use whatever. Like you can even mix, I think a dry blush with like oils and whatever to make it cream. Do whatever you gotta do, baby. Put lipstick over it. Like, just get into it. Get into this technique. That's all I want you to know. Get into this technique. Use what you have. Because I'm loving this. So, I feel like I want more pink though. But it's okay because I don't have any pink. So now that we've done the face, the next thing we're going to do is also go ahead and... my under eyes are perfect. I'm just going to make sure they stay perfect. I'm just going to blend them out a little bit more because I'm preparing it for powder now. I'm going to take a sheer one. I'm going to take this Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powder and I'm just going to set it right underneath my eyes. Just because we still want this eye right underneath there to be matte and everywhere else to shine. Because I know we want to be glowy, but we still don't want to be creasy. And now you can also go retouch areas that are prone to creasing, like right here, your smile lines. But I still like to be chisel, baby. Give me a jaw that can cut bitches. Give it to me. I'm gonna go in with my foundation beauty blender and also just clean that up. So skin wise, the next and last final part is highlight. I mean, we already got highlight, but just for that zinger, that little zing, we're gonna just take some loose highlighting powder. So I'm gonna go back with my face oil and mix that bad boy in. I just have like this gold foil going on. I'm gonna tap like that. I'm gonna take the Glow Extreme from this palette and just add it on top. It's funny because I usually do my lips last, but we're just gonna do something different. I'm gonna take KK Beauty in the shade Nude 2. Taking Huda Beauty's First Kiss. Taking Fussy. I just feel like I never do colors like this. I'm always doing a nude lip. I'm always doing like a 90s lip. And I was just like, let me do something different. I am just going to take my bronzer color, take whatever you have. I'm gonna put it, of course, in our crease. You know I live for that. I'm taking my Hourglass Scattered Light in the shade Ray. Next, I'm gonna go with some eyeliner just to create a fox eye. You can skip this step if you want. I think this is one of my favorite looks. Aside from the Kim Kardashian one, because that was like a full glam beat, this one is so natural. I've never made a video like this. If you like this video, let me know, okay?